Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the top. I found the motor. Hopefully this is the one. I still haven't opened it yet to see if this shaft fit. This actually has to fit on there for it to be the correct one. But I'm about to open it and see in a second. But so I thought this motor right here was gonna work, but the pros let me down. They couldn't. It was actually a generator, but I broke the generator off, or the pieces of the generator, and just got all motor. And they said this is not the correct motor. It can't fit. That's what they told me. And this motor here was the original motor that was on it, but it doesn't have a pulley. When I actually bought the mini bike right here, it was actually turned on. So this old motor actually, I think it still works, but I need to find a pulley. So I might look into that in the future. But right now, I'm about to open up this one to see if the shaft fits. Let's hope it fits. If it fits, you feel me, I should be riding this mini bike by Monday. And I can do some filming on there. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see. I'm about to open this. See if I find a good shot. Put this up a little bit. All right. Let me go. Let's see. This got something on it. Hit him with the motor. Hey guys, keep your fingers crossed. So yep, I do have a year warranty on this motor. If anything, if it breaks down, I can take it back. It's great. Feels like a brand new car. From what I'm seeing, it's looking like it's gonna be too fat. But I don't know. I might be wrong. But this is Predator motor here. Brand new Predator motor. Let's see if this, if I can slide it on. Hold on, I got some extra stuff on here I gotta get off real quick to see, before I actually try to put it on. All right, guys, I'm gonna be back in a second. All right, guys, I'm gonna be back in a second. I gotta try to do something off the camera. All right, YouTube, we are back closer to my dream, cause this fit on there snugly. Just look at it. Hold on. Let me center the camera. It fits on there snugly. Yes, if that's even a word. But I made it a word today. Snugly, nice and snugly. Look at it. Ooh. Let's see. Good morning. Let's see if this fits here. It's the last piece of the puzzle. Ooh. This goes here. All right, guys, I need my hands free. I'm gonna come back in a second. I think we have action though. I should be riding in no time. All right, this is to the top. I'll see you guys.